This is our first evening in Vlorë. Just got in here just after lunch today. The sun's just setting. Main town centre's down that way. Good morning. This is out the front promenade area of our apartment in Vlorë, Albania. Just about to head into town. I'm going to grab a bus and just go and check out town. Show you the beach here in a second. It's just across the road. Nip across there. Try not to get run over. You see the beach has a lot of rubbish on it, plastics and things. Seems to be a general thing here. People don't look after the place much. But the water itself's nice and clean and it's very nice. You've got to walk out about 100 metres before you get up to your chest. It's pretty shallow. The land to the left there you can see is actually attached down that far end to the mainland. It's kind of like a big cove, and then out there towards Italy there is an island. Right, we've got to go find a bus. More later. So this is the kind of thing you do when you're a prepared flashpacker. You take a trip in the bus to see where the bus is that you're leaving from the next time you're taking the bus. So we've taken the local bus into town to the bus station and just sussed out where the next bus is that's going to Saranda when we're going there. It's confused the heck out of the bus driver down there because he's wondering why we're not going on the bus now. But never mind, we're sorted now, we know what we've got to do. So we're just going to walk into the older town part of Vlorë. Have a bit of a look. Not sure if it's got a really nice old town, or don't know a lot about it, so I'm just going to suss it out. This is just on the side of the street. There's a whole lot of turtles here living in this planter box. Under the olive trees. That's weird. And this is really pretty. It's kind of the main street of the old town. Got a few bars and restaurants out there. Have a look up this way as well. Nice balconies. So then just across the road from those very well maintained streets are probably the real streets of Old Town. Yeah, it brings a bit of perspective. Not everything's as pretty as you think. But I'm sure it's all quite livable. And we're back into the fancier bit now. So this is the Monument of Independence when Albania split from the Ottoman Empire in 1912. The guy on the top was Albania's first president, I think, or prime minister, president, I think. Then behind here, I think we have some old city walls, ruins of city walls. Yeah, these are the old city wall excavations over here. Look at all the rubbish. The one thing we've noticed a lot here is there tends to be lines of people early in the morning waiting to get into the banks. Not sure whether it's just to get their superannuation money or what it is. Or maybe the banks, no, the banks can't run out of money, not these days. Might have to do a bit of googling on that one. I spotted some flags on the hill up here, but we're not sure what they are. We're just going to have a quick look. I'm not sure what that is. I don't think we want to walk all the way up there. It's too bloody hot. Hey? Oh, okay. Alright, we'll go have a look at the steps. Well, we do love ourselves a good set of steps. Can't see where they go. Nothing marked on our map as being of interest up here, but maybe we'll get a view over the city or something. It's 32 degrees at 8 AM in the morning, and it's heading for 37 today, so we definitely don't want to be out here too long. We're going to melt. Oh, keep going up there. Oh, on the map was just a green space. Maybe it's just a park. Right, I'll turn this off a second. You don't need to hear me heavy breathing. Still not at the top, but I think we're just about there. I can see a flag. It wasn't the top. We got more steps. I think it's just a viewpoint. Oh no, it's a cemetery. Oh, okay. Cemetery on top of a hill. So this is the top. We've got an American and an Albanian flag there, and a monument here to do with the cemetery, I think. Actually, those flags over the back could just be on an apartment. More graves down there, and lots of graves here. And yeah, not much of a view. You can see out to that 1912 Independence Monument in the middle there now. And wow, you can't quite see the sea in the distance. It's pretty smoggy out that way. Looking at the names, I'm thinking these might be a Jewish cemetery or Muslim cemetery. I don't know. As I said, there was nothing on the map, so might need to do some googling. So Vlorë is definitely a touristy town where people come mainly for the beach, I think, and the apartments by the beach and all the restaurants. There's not a lot of sights and things to see in the town itself. So if you look straight ahead at the top of the hill there, I think that's some sort of church that is on our map and has a name that I'll mention, but yeah, we ain't walking up there today, it's too hot. If you want to see that up close, you can come here and have a look yourselves. There is a mosque, there, just there, you can see the mosque next to that building that's under construction. We're going to go down there and have a look. Okay, we've worked it out. It's a war memorial cemetery. It's just about all of the death dates are in the 1940s. So it's a cemetery for the war dead, I think, of Albanians. And unfortunately, as with the war, they're very young people. Most born in the 1910s, 1920s, and died in 1943, 1944, around that time. So we found the older mosque. There's a new mosque not far away as well. This is the old historic mosque.